Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Pusheen cat donut. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw a line across. Now from the right side, let's draw a curve up and back down for the ears. And the same on the left side. Now from the sides, let's continue that line down and then curve it in at the bottom. And now connect both sides at the bottom with the curve. Now that we have the basic shape of the donut, let's make it a little bit more 3D. Let's hop up next to the ears and let's draw a curve down on the right side. Now let's do the same thing from the right ear, but we're going to curve it all the way down to the bottom. Okay, next let's hop inside and draw a large oval for the donut hole. And then inside, let's add a curve. Now let's hop up to the top in the middle and let's draw an angled line down and then curve it back up. And the same thing on the left and on the right. Next, let's hop down in the center and let's draw the mouth. Let's draw a curve down and over to the left and down and over to the right. And then add a curve underneath. Next, let's add the eyes. On the left side, let's draw a black circle. And the same thing on the right side. Next, let's add the whiskers, 2 on either side with curves. Now let's hop down under the face and add the hands. Let's draw a curve on the left here, and then a curve on the right. And then 2 curves at the bottom for the feet. Next, let's move to the bottom right and add the tail. Let's draw a curve out and then back in. And then add 4 curves inside for the stripes. Lastly, let's add the sprinkles inside the donut with rounded rectangle shapes. You can follow my pattern or create your own. And that's it for this Pusheen donut. Now let's quickly color it in. and done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!